What's going on, YouTube? Something different today. Yucca fries from Goya. It says air fry 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
This is a yucca fry. And here's what a yucca actually looks like. This one was at the supermarket. A little bit of olive oil. All right, the directions say 10 minutes. Not 20 minutes.
10 minutes. Not 20 minutes.
We'll be right back after this Varcade Quickie. What is up, everybody? Look at this beautiful Christmas setup. That gnome-looking Santa. You got Rudolph. You got a snowman. The elf. You got a penguin. That Superman is so close to the shoot. I think I'm gonna go for it. I'm thinking right there. You just pull it up and put it in. There you go. That's it. That's how you do it. Easy win right there. Hey, welcome back. That was a nice surprise, wasn't it? About time I got a win. Speaking of win, I think these are done. Let's go have a review. Hey, thanks for joining me in the kitchen and at the claw machine. Stay tuned for part 2 as Peanut and I review some yucca fries, and thank you for watching.